Day 1, left total hip replacement operated by direct anterior approach, patient walking comfortably with the help of upto. Post-op day 2, left total hip replacement operated by direct anterior approach, patient walking comfortably without any walker or any support. Some amount of lurch is there which will go off in 10 to 15 days. Patient is walking comfortably. This is just post-op day 3 operated by direct anterior hip replacement. As you can see, the patient is comfortable. ठीक है, बढ़िया है. 1.5 months post-op, right total hip replacement operated by direct anterior hip replacement technique. Patient walking comfortably without any walker or any support. ठीक है सर. Bilateral total hip replacement, 1 year follow-up, patient walking comfortably without any lurch, walker or any support. है ना? As you can see, the patient is able to squat now. ठीक है. And even able to sit on the floor. ठीक है. फिर खड़े हो जाओ वापस. ठीक है. एक बार फिर से दिखा दो. बस ठीक. फिर से खड़े हो जाओ. और बढ़िया.